Good morning. Magandang umaga sa lahat. Kabiti. Today guys is our last day here. And then today we need to check out. And our next destination is Bicol. Yeah, Bicol. Okay. But before that, we need to stay in the hotel in Manila for 3 days before going to Bicol. I'm so very excited because this is our first time went to Bicol. And my husband and I decided to travel by land. Yeah, to see the countryside and the tasting for it into 10 hours. Let's see if not get tired to the travel. Maybe travel by plane. Went back to here in the Maynila. We need to go to Bicol guys because I have brother there, so been 10 years I'm not seeing my niece and my nephew. Let's go make coffee guys. Sorry guys, not see too much. Salaga, kopi ko, Milo, kopi ko again. Maybe rest this time. Low acid. I think this is good because low acid if you have acidic. So maybe this is good. We drink different kind of coffee 3-in-1 because I have a lot of 3-in-1 coffee here in the Philippines. Parang matapang na awan niya. Kaso lang yung smell niya parang ang tapang. Let's drink coffee guys. We drink coffee in the morning. I'm not drinking coffee in the night. Sometimes craving coffee in the night. So good. Good. Okay. Drink coffee guys. My voice is very it's not loud. I think we need a microphone like the other vlogger, they put over here. So that's why if I'm talking, very clear. I need to go downstairs, guys. I need to buy breakfast. Let's see what's in there. Because my husband, the one. We check out order later. 12 because our check-in. I don't wait. We don't fancy champurrado for breakfast. Everything inside the gift we have lot of canteen over there. I'm not choosing the simplistic. We buy breakfast guy over there, oh, in the gate only. So very accessible, lot of canteen over there. So we buy this guy 1 cup of rice and fish. I love fish and vegetable. So we need to cook breakfast to my husband. Egg for breakfast. Mine is rice. Rice is light. Smells good. Yeah. Smells good, okay.
Pagbeziyan sila sa cashier.
We need to check out na today, guys. Look. See? The condo is very clean, guys. We always cleaning the condo before leave, even the hotel. So clean. And the CR, very clean. We scrubbed that guy yesterday. The cleaner come here, guy. Only what to do is change the rug because everything is good now. We clean up, guy, before we check out. And also, and this is our luggage. Wow. I have 2 luggage, 2 laptop bag, and this one, and that one, and my bag. So really good. And the kitchen also. We clean everything. Need to throw this later, guys. So we need to change the truss. Remove the truss, guys. Change another new one. Bathroom. And everything is good. We need to throw that downstairs. Hi guys. Ready for check out. We need to check out at 12. Because 3 p.m. pang check in sa hotel. The hotel is not far away. Look like 20 minutes only from here. So we check out. Because usually the check out in the condo and the hotel is 12 and the check-in is 3. Time now is 10:30 pa na. I'm done my what is called our cleaning. We don't cleaning in the condo. Every time we go check out there, we do cleaning. In the condo or the hotel, something like that. I don't like check out that the unit is dirty. See you guys later in my next destination. Ito may trust. Last trust throwing today. We need to check out na guys kasi ano na 11:30 12 yung check out. Magtatapon ako dito guys yung mga 3 o'clock 4 o'clock kasi walang trust dun sa loob kasi tinatapon nila yung mga 2 o'clock yun dito. We need to check out 11:14. It's time to check out. I like this condo guys. And my husband also like this condo. This is the view of the hotel, guys. And then the overall swimming pool right there. Kenny Road right there. Over there is Baclaran. No? Need to go in 7-Eleven. I buy something. Need to buy something. 7-Eleven are very close eh. Order ko ba? Order right there. Room tour tayo guys. Have table over here. Two chair. You're doing coffee. And the view outside. Night na to di guys, night. This is the view outside. Road right there. That's the view outside. Have das outside of the ano kay glassy because that's the perfect photo. Ano guys. Another table right here. Our charger. This is our luggage. And the TV right there. No need to open this. And this is the bed. Have something right there. I gulat ako. Have over there guys, but I don't know if this open. I on. Have over. This is our drinks. Of course have mirror right here. Mirror on the wall. This is the bathroom right here. We put something right here, babe. Or stuff. And that's it guys. We stay here for 3 days. Hi guys. First night sa hotel guys. The hotel today is so very busy. No, it's fine. This is closing eh. We check in like I think 12:30. But ano guys, before we enter the room is 3:30 na. Very busy because lot of guests have party wedding. Lot of people in and out in the hotel. After 3 hours before we enter the hotel. But sometime naman last time guys is very quick eh. When arrive here the hotel is ready immediately. But this is the first time late because of lot of this. And now we need to done na our video today guys because our video I think long na. Thank you so much guys sa mga viewer and subscriber. And see you on my next video. Bye bye guys. Good night everyone. Bye.